Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. India has chosen not to impose restrictions on laptop imports after facing criticisms. The Trade Secretary Sunil Bathwal announced the change, which would have impacted companies like Apple, Dell, Samsung, and HP. Discussions with industry experts are ongoing to develop a new set of rules to avoid supply chain disruption and market distortion. The initially proposed import rules would have limited product imports and required brands to register and obtain a license from the import department. Next up, we have WhatsApp has introduced a privacy feature to protect users' IP addresses during calls. The feature adds an extra layer of security to calls, safeguarding users' IP addresses and locations. It is accessible to select beta testers through the latest WhatsApp beta updates for iOS and Android. The Protect IP Addresses in Call option found in the advanced section of privacy settings secures user locations by relaying calls through WhatsApp servers. Although there may be a slight reduction in call quality due to encryption and routing, this added security preserves users' privacy. Google is introducing an AI-powered search feature allowing users to create images using generative AI. The feature is being tested and integrated into the Images tab on Google, catching up with rivals in AI technology. Users can generate images and receive responses from the AI chatbot, which has reached version 4.0 and offers an enterprise version with added security. The feature is designed with safeguards to prevent the generation of harmful or misleading content, aligning with Google's usage policies. Currently, the generative AI avatar of search is limited to English users in the US who are 18 years or older. India's Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, has revealed a roadmap for India's artificial intelligence program, forming the basis for the national strategy for robotics. The strategy aims to drive economic growth and innovation in India's digital economy, focusing on core sectors such as fintech, governance, and education. It includes initiatives like the India Datasets platforms and a public-private partnership model for AI compute infrastructure to accelerate AI adoption. India's cyber agency, Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN), has issued a high-risk warning to Google Chrome users in India. Multiple vulnerabilities in Google Chrome OS LTS pose risk, including denial of service, elevation of privilege, and remote code execution. Vulnerabilities stem from issues such as use after free in extensions, heap buffer overflow in VP8 encoding in IBVPX out of bounds memory access, and flaws in AMD platforms. CERT-IN advises users to update their Chrome browser promptly, as Google has released security patches to address these issues. Next, we have the UK's antitrust regulator has approved Microsoft's $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the creator of Call of Duty. The deal was restructured to address earlier concerns, and Microsoft offered remedies to ensure enforceable terms. The approval allows Microsoft to close the deal by 18th October after extending the deadline to secure UK approval. The Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) praised Microsoft's concession regarding streaming, preventing cloud gaming competition lockup. At last, major storage brands like Samsung, Western Digital, and SanDisk are offering substantial discounts on SSD drives during online sales in India. Discounts of up to 75% are available on online platforms, including drives like the SanDisk 1TB Extreme SSD, Samsung T7 Shield 1TB SSD drive, Western Digital My Passport 5TB drive, and HP P500 portable SSD 500GB. These drives offer fast data transfers, durability, and compatibility with Windows systems. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के देखो हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई, आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह। अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के देखो हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी मना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक?